Hi and welcome to all Fivem players. Xandir Scripts presents FoodTruck Script. You can create zones where food trucks are allowed to operate. Each zone has a limit for trucks and everything is fully configurable in the config, including the option to disable zones completely. Players can leave reviews for food trucks. Reviews are visible to other players. The food truck staff and the person who posted them can delete review. Employees can change into a uniform defined in the config. This script includes a fully functional cash register system. What you're seeing now is how it's operated in-game. The customer can pay for their meal using either cash or card. They also have the option to leave a tip. The food truck worker has two types of workstations: the grill and the prep station. Ingredients on the grill can burn if not watched carefully. When serving food to a customer, you can use one of three available trays. Cleaning system. Stations need to be cleaned after several uses. You can assign it to specific stations. The script includes a vehicle shop available to players with specific jobs defined in the config. Here they can purchase a food truck, which gets automatically assigned to their personal garage. There's also an ingredient shop in the script. Food truck workers need to restock supplies regularly to keep serving customers. This function is only available when debug mode is enabled in the config. It lets you copy the offset, making it fast and easy to set up interactions on new food trucks.